short video, let's look at one of the important concepts which we use it almost every time when we are writing a program. That is, adding comments to our program. As you might have already observed in all the programs till now, we make use of the hash symbol to add comments in Python code cell. And anything written after the hash symbol will be ignored by the Python. So guys, to illustrate, I'll write it like this. Hash symbol, this is comment, comma, new value is equal to 10. Now what I'll do is, I'll just print this new value and let me execute this. Yes, as you can see, in my program, I have added the variable name assignment in comments. And when I try to print it, we have the error that says name new value is not defined. One thing we need to note here is that we can add only single line comments with the use of hash symbol. That means for each line, we have to specify a hash symbol to mark it as a comment like this. In case, if we want to add a multiple line comments in our program, we make use of triple single quotes and triple double quotes like this. Both the ways of adding the comments are correct. Okay? And another important note is, when we add the multiple line comments, it would be saved in the form of documentation in that Python program. And when we execute it, it will display the documentation. So guys, to avoid printing the documentation, we make use of semicolon symbol at the end of multi-line comments like this. Got it? Great.